Hey y'all, it's Rob again. And in this episode, I've got something special. My wife and I are down visiting her brother. He's the owner of a very sweet car and has agreed to allow me to put it on the channel. So this is my brother-in-law's 2014 Audi R8 V10 Plus.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
My plan for this episode was to grab some real exciting footage from inside the car and outside the car of what it's like to drive and give you guys a little bit of firsthand experience, let you know what the car is really like. The bad news is I have somehow misplaced or deleted or whatever, lost all the footage that I had of us driving. So what I'm going to do is put together a short video with what I do have and put it out as quickly as possible for y'all. Then I'll go back down in the future with my Corvette, and Andre and I will go on a cruise or something, and we'll grab way better footage at that point and put together a more meaty video. So I do apologize, but it is what it is, and I will just promise you that I'll get back down there and do some better content on the R8 in the future. All right, so let's grab these keys and head down to the garage. All right, guys, so this is a close-up of the 2014 Audi R8 V10 Plus. These are the carbon ceramic rotors I was talking about. What does that say? 31.6 millimeters. Big old calipers. There's the PPF. See if you can see the matte finish I'm talking about. Again, underneath that would be the normal stock, beautiful metallic gray or whatever they call this color paint. But with the matte PPF over it, it gives it that stealthy look. There's the carbon fiber I was talking about. He's got it around his grill, around the front air dam diffuser. Big old fat meats. Here's the passenger side interior. The stitching on the leather is just gorgeous. The carbon fiber accents, just beautiful. Again, the sound system, just incredible. Just the smell of European leather, just so nice. How many miles is on this, Andre? It has 20,000 miles on it, roughly. I know he bought it with like 14,000 miles. He's had performance mods done to it at a local shop a friend of his owns, R8 Specialist. And the guy actually owns a number of Audis, high performance Audis, even races high performance TTs, I believe. But he has done real tasteful mods to Andre's car for him, bumping up the horsepower, things like electronic cutouts for the exhaust. I think he even has some stealth built into the car, some electronic stealth stuff. Anyway, just outstanding, very tastefully done. And Christian's shop, I'll leave a link down in the description to Christian's website. That's Andre's friend, because he just does outstanding work in the area. Again, it's a fixed hardtop. Just impressive car. Oh, to open up the engine bay, you come back here, right there. Right there. Maybe the key has to be on. I think the key has to be on. And then it would pop up and you'd be able to open it, but you can see in there. And then, of course, the front is a frunk. It's just a compartment that is pretty nice size for the R8 for a little bitty car like this. So you can carry some overnight bags and stuff on a trip if you wanted to do that. Anyway, super nice. Super nice. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's a little different. I hope to, in the future, very near future, bring my Corvette down here and we'll get some video of Andre's R8 and my Corvette, and maybe even some of Christian's cars, and we will I'll bring you an episode of that. So anyway, for now, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed and who has given thumbs up to my videos. It means a lot to me. I appreciate that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and again, please consider subscribing to the channel. I guess I will see you in the next one.